Good morning, students. In this video, we understand parliament, permanent executive or bureaucracy. So, some are the permanent executive and those who will be elected by the peoples of India, and those who are the representative, they are not a permanent executive. But these are the permanent executives. The executive organ of the government include Prime Minister, the Minister, and a large organized called the bureaucracy or administrative machinery in democracy. The elected representative and the minister are in charge of the government, and the administration is under their control and supervisions, right? Like the government departments, uh, many other department, district levels, DM, SDMs, right? Chief executives. We can say the engineers, the government servant, all are under the supervision of these government ministers. The legislature also exercise control over the administrations. Means these are legislature bodies control the administrations. The administration officers cannot act in violation of policy adopted by the legislatures. So these are the legislatures, the ministers, right? And the administrative office cannot violate the policy of adopted by those legislatures or those ministers. It is the responsibility of minister to retain political control over the administrations. Means the leader, MP, or we can say MLA, control the administrations. India has established professional administration machines, the Indian bureaucracy. It consists of all India services, state service, employment of the local government, and technical and managerial staffs running public sector undertakings. So these are all under the control of the legislatures. The Union Public Service Commission has been entrusted with the task of conducting the process of the requirement of the civil servant for the government of India. Similarly, public service commission are provided for the state also. For the central union public service commissions and for the state public service commission provided for the states. Member of the public service commission are appointed for fixed terms, right? And their removal or supervision is subject to through inquiry made by judge of the Supreme Court. Their removal or suspension is subject to through inquiry made by judge of the Supreme Court. The bureaucracy is an instrument through which welfare policy of the government must be reached the people. The bureaucracy is an incentive to the demands and expectation of the ordinary citizens, right? So these are the mostly the government servant. How the expectation of ordinary citizen can be sensitized, right? Only if the democratic elected government control the bureaucracy, some of these problems can be effectively handled. On the other hand, too much political interference turn the bureaucracy into an instrument in hands of the politicians. The bureaucrats are the government servants and which controlled by the politicians or the representative of the peoples, but sometimes they interferes in their matter, turn the bureaucracy into instruments or hands of the politicians. Though the constitution has created independent machinery for recruitments, many people think that there is no provision for protecting the civil servant from political interference in the performance of their duty, right? It is also felt that enough provisions are not there to ensure the accountability of bureaucratic to the citizen. There is an expectation that measures like right to information may be make the bureaucratic little more responsible and accountable. In the democracy, the government is divided into three organs: the legislatures, the executive, and judiciary. The legislature and executive are interdependent in parliamentary systems. and the legislature frame the law and executive enforce them to run administration in such manner that legislature control the executive and in turn it is controlled by the executives. Who control the executive? The legislatures, which was appointed by the people of the India or citizen of the India, right? We understand these permanent executives and how expectation of ordinary citizen can be sanitized, right?